everybody. A warm welcome to my channel Vatsalyam. So today's reading is going to be a little different. There are 6 feathers in front of you: blue, dark pink, green, white, purple and orange. Take your time, connect to the color and see which color calls you the most. But this time I am randomly going to pick up a feather. So here you need to check your intuition. Guess before I pick up a feather. And so obviously there will be no timestamp in the description box this time. And then we will see what is the message angels have to give you and why is this message coming towards you. So take your time, connect to the feather and let me begin randomly with the first feather. Make your guesses and here I go. I am going to pick up white feather first. So let us see what is the message coming your way. Take back your power. Use your God-given power and intention to manifest blessings in your life. So here the angel is asking you, open your arms, spread your wings. You are ready to take a flight. Despite any storm in your life, you are now ready. You have that confidence, you have that vision. Just open your arm, set your intentions and move ahead in life. Now let us see why did this message come for you. So here we have the Tower card. So maybe some of you have undergone a very problematic period in your life. It could be regarding your health. It could be regarding a relationship, family dispute, a friend dispute, something that has shaken your stability, your security in life. Could be your finances as well. So here the angels are asking you, take your time to connect to yourself, connect to that inner wisdom, connect to that inner knowing of yours. Isolate yourself for a while, understand how you want your life to take the next step, where you want to take your life to. And you have all our support. The universe is there to support you. Angels are there to guide you. So take out your time and be ready to spread your wings. So this was first reading. Now let us see which card am I going to pick up. I am going to pick up the orange color now. How many of you made the right guess? Let us see. Message from the angel. Divine order. Everything is how it needs to be right now. Look past the illusion and see underlying order. So here divine is asking you, is telling you that whatever was planned for you is happening the right way it had to happen in your life right now. You only have to see the truth that is there. You have to connect yourself to that truth. You have to accept that truth in your life. You have to weigh everything that you have gone through and create that balance in your life again. Let us see why did this message come for you. 8 of Cups. So here you are moving ahead in life, leaving all that was unclear, leaving all that was hidden from you, leaving all that was lied about to you. You are moving ahead in a direction where there is truth, there is peace, there is some kind of personal connect that you want to build in with yourself. Now let us see which feather am I going to pick up next. I'm now going to pick up the blue colored feather. So we'll see your messages here. Archangel Michael is here for you. Remember who you are. You are powerful, loving and creative child of God. You are very loved. So here Archangel Michael is holding his sword and holding a light in his hand. So he's there to protect you and he's there to guide you, to show you the way, how you can come out of the problem, the situation where you are stuck in right now. Let's see why has this card come for you. 3 of Swords. So here there is a heartbreak. It could be from your lover. It could be in a marriage, from your partner. It could be a sibling relationship, from a friend. Anybody who was close to your heart has somewhere hurted you so deeply that you're unable to move ahead in life. You're just stuck in that hurt, you're stuck in that pain, and you are unable to find a way out of it. So here archangels and divine is sending you healing. They're sending you that you are loved by us. We are there to love you. We are there to guide you, to protect you. Take your first step in life again. Gather your strength, your trust in us, and move ahead in life. So this was your message. Now let's see which color feather I'm going to pick up next. I'm now going to pick up the dark pink feather. Did you guess it right? So your message is career transition. Your life purpose is triggering a blessed career change. So here, angel is telling you that there is something peaceful, something passionate that you have been about is coming your way. Something that you always wanted to do, but you didn't know whether you could do it or how you could do it. So there is some kind of career change coming into your life. Let's see why this message has come. So many of you must have tried different kind of job prospects. You must have had a lot of opportunities. You must have, just went with the flow of how beautiful this opportunity is, but it did not turn out the way you wanted it. Maybe you did not get that peace in that profession. Maybe you did not get that peace in your career at that time. You have been exploring different careers, and now you're all set to move away and towards what will bring peace to you, what will bring happiness to you, something that you would love wanting to go for every day. Every morning is going to be exciting for you because that career path is your life purpose and is going to help you bring changes in your life. I'm now going to go to feather purple. Let's see what are your messages. For you, 2 cards had come and both looked very similar to me. So here are the cards. First is comfort. I am with you in your time of need, helping your heart to heal. The other is relationship harmony. We angels are opening the heart of everyone involved. Arguments and conflicts are being resolved now. So clearly the message is showing that somewhere you are undergoing a situation where you feel stuck amongst relationships that are very close to you. Everybody wants you to be on their side. Everybody wants you to do justice in their favor. Everybody wants you to understand them. But somewhere you are feeling stuck and you're unable to understand how to resolve these conflicts and arguments because you are the one who is being targeted and you are not feeling good about it. The tarot also says the same, that you're stuck in choices. You're stuck between decisions and you're unable to get clarity which way to go, whom to choose. The angels are advising you to create a balance in what is right and what is not so right. Your logic and your emotions, balance them. Choose a middle path so that you can bring a balance in with whatever the situation you are undergoing, your family is undergoing. And this will help you to come out of it. Angels are helping you to resolve those conflicts. They are supporting you. So you need to take the step of balancing your emotions, your thoughts, and convey it in that manner. The last, the green feather. Let us see what are your messages. Okay. You know what to do. Trust your inner knowledge and act upon it without delay. Archangel Uriel is showing you the light. He's showing you the way. He's guiding you. So he knows that yes, you can act because you have gathered a lot of knowledge. You have gained that wisdom to move ahead in life. You are somebody who likes to keep themselves updated. You like to gain more knowledge. You like to explore different fields. And now is the time to implement this knowledge, this wisdom, to bring expansion in your life, in your worldly life especially. If you want to expand your business, if you want to go for further studies, if you want to grow in your career, you are being assured that angels are guiding you, and take that step ahead because you have it in you. Trust yourself. So this was the reading. If you enjoyed this kind of a reading, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you.